Hello! Sometimes you have the challenge, you have a bottle of wine and then what can you combine with this wine? This wine is a wine from Castilla and Leon, from the northern part of Spain. It's a 2010, it's a wine which is made out of Tempranillo, Garnacha and Syrah. So, and what can you combine with this? So first of all, you have to taste this wine. In the nose, it's a little bit oaky, a lot of dark fruits, a little bit also chocolate and tobacco. And on the palate, very powerful, very good balance of acidity and tannins. So tannins very round. But additionally to the fruits, also coming a lot of white pepper. So you should combine either, let's make it easy, a hamburger or a oxtail soup or a oxtail stew, or what we have done today, it's a quiche, and this quiche is based on cheese, it is on zucchini, and it has the mushrooms, and the mushrooms will give, together with the hard cheese, the counterbalance to this wine. So it's a perfect match, and in case you need other suggestions what you can do with wine, just call me and I will give you some advice. Cheers!